Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Singapore. I'm at MBS Apple Store outside. Due to the pandemic, I need to mask up and I cannot unbox inside their store. So introducing the new iPhone 13 Pro Max Sierra Blue. I just bought it up, warm in my hand. Okay, let's do an unbox. For your information, I'm buying a 512. Okay, there you go. Unbox time, unbox. This time around, they have no plastic wrapper. The new way of unboxing. Just there. Nice. How about this way? Okay, done. Here we go. The brand new iPhone 13 Pro Max. This time round, still the same. No adapter, tiny adapter. Only iPhone Lightning cable, USB-C, C to Lightning. And as usual, this one, guide, quick guide. Oops, drop. Sorry, quick guide. Injecting free. Guidebook. And Apple sticker. Let's put it back. Curl one side. So take it off. Then you see the back. Isn't it nice? 3 camera lens. A bit thick, I think. Very light. No light. A bit heavy. Heavier than the previous version of iPhone 12. iPhone 12 Pro Max. Okay. Let's take it off. Woo! Ta-da! Is it very nice? Yay! Let's put that up. I want to put back. You know why? Later I put screen protector ma. Okay, that's all for now. Take care, everybody. Stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.